Hi guys, today I am doing the chug a sprite thing without burping, and as you can see I'm really red because I just played some basketball, and hopefully this will refresh me. And I just can't spill it because I'm in my room. I'm not good at this, but I've done it before with sparkling water. This is not sparkling water. It's not chug a whole Sprite, it's drink a whole Sprite. This is hard already. Well, not really, but not as hard as it's probably going to be. Can't really talk too loud, otherwise I'm probably gonna burp. And there's probably, you're gonna hear something in the background, it's just a vacuum. Oh, that tickles my throat. Damn it, I just burped. I'm gonna try and do the rest, the other half without burping. Make sure to go check my hide and seek video. It's pretty long, but hopefully you watch the whole thing. I've done some edits in it, it's really good. So make sure to go like that too. This doesn't taste like Sprite anymore, really. How long left? Ooh-wee. It was gonna be hard, but not this hard. I think some just came out of my nose. Oh, that's really hard. I'm doing pretty well, pretty decent. Only burped once. I really don't think I'm gonna do this. I really do. Just to take my mind off the burping thing. In hide and seek, I lost one and I won one. So make sure to go check it out. It hurts. I don't know how much longer I can do it. I feel it really hit tight here. It hurts so much here. Oh, this is so hard. I'm really good. Well, I think I've tried not to burp, so long now that I can talk properly and it won't come up. Can't do it for much longer. Okay, I can't do it anymore. Pardon me. Holy crap. Okay, I can't finish this without burping, so I just, I'm using my new phone light that I did, or I did a tutorial for that, tutorial for that. It's right there, pretty bright. Yeah. So, see you in my next video. Don't know when that's gonna be, but peace.